Hi guys, in this video I want to show you the process of installation of Dock Desktop Personal. Okay, let's go. Okay, first thing first, open the Chrome. After that, search what's happening. Mm. Enter the first one, get Docker. Wait, choose Windows. Windows. Uh, Download this one, Docker Desktop for Windows. Those download. Before I install the system importance for installation of the Docker is first of all you have to install the WSL 2.1 later. System requirements Windows 10 64 bytes or Windows 11 64 bytes processor 64 bytes processor or giga of system RAM. Okay, first thing first, let's the WS first run. Execute this command session to type US on. So press any key to install on the subsystem for Linux. Okay, let's move to the second step. Close this, close this. Now let's go here and search for use feature. Turn Windows, future on or off. Okay, go down. Search for this one. Windows subsystem for Linux. Take this. After taking this as okay, don't start. Quiet file, applying changes. You must restart the PC right now. Let's restart it. Okay, we have restarted the PC. Now let's move to the next step. Let's go here to the Docker installation file that I downloaded previously. Where is programs? Okay, Docker desktop install. Click yes. Okay, Windows containers to use with this installation. Yes. Okay. Unpacking file. The installation is begun. By pressing this button. After that, let's go here to Docker desktop. Except using Docker for work recommends signing with the work email. For me, I want to choose for personal. Choose this. Create an account, or you can sign in with your Google account. Choose your Google account. Okay, fine. Continue. Okay, choose username for the production. RDA. Click it. RDA Fusion. Always allow authentication to Docker. Open Docker. Okay, what's my role is teacher numbers. One, my goal. Let's choose any goal. Okay, fine. The installation of the Docker is finished. Thank you guys for watching. Uh, Subscribe to the channel for here. Let's help me a lot.